it.
You
the lawnmower.
You never started by. Okay, folks. This right here
when you ain't got no weight
is our Redneck motor lift we just built. We'll see, we've got us a John Deere lawnmower, that's an option, you put a four-wheeler on it. We built us a seat, a frame out of pipe. We built us a detachable steering wheel, show them right there, Josh. That's right. We have built us a customized John Deere riding lawnmower seat, adjustable, flips up. Can't beat that. And on the end of it, we've got a Lincoln arc welder. Weighs about
it's extremely too
1,500 pounds for this. We built them a seat, give me a little extra oomph.
Gotta have some weight on the tongue over.
So, ain't bad for a couple farm boys. I don't think so.
Oh no, Redneck engine lift.
Yes, sir.
Get her done.
Get her done. This is right. Okay. I'm gonna give this to my lovely assistant here, and she is going to videotape us in action. We're going to spin tires for you. And that, folks, is a Redneck lawnmower, motor, whatever you want to live. Thank you for watching.